Whoa, guys, I just finished watching Horny All the Time. That video is so funny. It's on Shane Dawson, yeah. Everybody knows Shane Dawson. If you don't know Shane Dawson, you're freaking lost. So, yeah. Okay, like, it's so funny because, like, when I watched, the first time I watched it, I was cracking up, and he was like, whoa, he has a beard now? Well, not like a beard, but he hadn't shaved for a while, you can tell. So, yeah, just check out his video, subscribe to it. It's awesome, okay? Oh, and I love how he does this at the end of every video, and I'm gonna do it for the end of my video.